Hello guys. Namaste, Perev, Ndiepi, Sanbonani. Anyway, we have a graphics card right in front of me. Guys, I have to admit, graphics card are easy to repair. I won't lie to you. And I've seen a lot of guys when they are doing trying to repair the graphics card, they're always blaming the GPU, the core itself. Let me show you, okay? When you are repairing a graphics card, this is a core, right? And in most cases, it's not the core. When you are having issues with the graphics card, it's not the core because a lot of people they think if you are having a problem with your graphics card, the issue is what? It's the core, GPU core. Okay, let me please try to erase that in your head. I'm not saying the core doesn't die; it happens, but in most cases, it's not what? It's not the GPU, the GPU core. You have the memories. All right, in case you get some glitches on the screen, it's doing all those funny things, you get some glitches, some lines on the screens, there you have a problem with what? With the memories. You should always observe the memories. There is a software called MET. Okay, the MET software, it's used to determine and then it can tell you which memory chip is fault. All right, it can locate the location, it can show you exactly which memory is faulty. But again, the core can cause that, but it doesn't happen often. All right, keep that in mind. Let me explain what I have here. This is an MSI, okay, AMD Radeon RX 560. It was turning on, but there was nothing on the screen. So I had to repair this. I went through a board, and let me tell you what, there were two resistors which were bent. Okay, and let me explain this, guys. Okay, when you are repairing a graphics card, this is what you should take note. Here you will have the 12 volts. So obvious, you're gonna check the 12 volts using this fuses here. You can use this fuse to check for the 12 volts coming from the PCI. All right, and then here, let me show you. Here, you check for what? For 12 volts. The first pin there is 12 volts. That's where you should be checking for your 12 volts. And here on this notch, the first three pins, 1, 2, 3, you will have what? 1, 2, 3, 4. You will have what? You will have the 3.3 volts. So you can use your multimeter to check for continuity when it's compared to ground, or check for resistance. So obvious, you should have something like kilo ohms there. And I'm gonna do this practical and show you everything step by step. On the graphics card, you have 5 volts, you have 3.3 volts, you have 12 volts, you have 1.8 volts, you have 1.3 or 1.2, depending on the memory type. And you have like 900 to 800 millivolts for GPU and for the memory as well. Guys, this is easy. The graphics card are easy to repair. Let me just be honest. I just repaired my first graphics card, and it was easy as long as you know where to check. Okay, let me show you this PC. All right, it's turning on. There we go. Asus. We have a screen. It's easy, guys. I'm happy, guys. I repaired my first graphics card, and I'll show you what was the problem. Uzoba mabalenge manje wena. Okay, so you take your multimeter. This is working. I fixed this. Let me show you what was the issue. All right, let me connect the microscope. Yes. All right, this was the issue, guys. This was bent. Those two resistors were bent. The two resistors here were bent. And I checked for shorts, but there was no short. And I went online. I looked for the schematic for this, and I couldn't find what? The schematic. So here, this is where I noticed that the machine was fine before changing those resistors. This is a PCI slot, right? Long thing. So you start here. What you do is you put one probe to ground. Okay. You touch here. First pin, no continuity. And then you start here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You check. No continuity. Pin number 5, it's ground. So the meter will beep, but these ones are fine. It means the 3.3 volts is fine. And then here you will have the 12 volts on these 3 pins. 1, 2, 3. This is 12 volts. And the 12 volts is what? Is fine. 100%. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3.3 volts. And then the 3.3 is also fine. You can also check the 12 volts right here. 12 volts was fine. All right, what else do we check? Check those 1.8, you check the 3.3, you check almost like everything, guys, step by step. And then if everything, if all the conditions are met, then you need to connect what? Graphics card and see what went wrong. But in this case, there was nothing wrong except those two resistors. So I couldn't find the schematic online. So I had to guess the value of those resistors. All right. So yeah, this is it. From now on, I'll be repairing the GPUs. The GPUs are easy. I don't know who was changing this, the thermal paste, but it's horrible. Okay. Yes. I'm fine, umbuzo. Namhlanje namhlanje phela. Okay, this is fine. Okay, bye-bye.